Hi guys, today topic is conversion tracking settings in Google Ads. Conversion tracking means connection between Google Ads and websites. Now we do connection settings in Google Ads. So for that we have to open our Google Ad accounts. So this is the dashboard. In left side there is an option called goals. We have to press that one and then just scroll down. So here is the option called create conversion action. So press on that and then just see all options are available. So in this we have to take submit lead form. Just press on that and create conversion. Here some websites are available. So in that I'm taking dnest student.online. So I'm pressing on that and then manual with code and then conversion settings. Here there are few options are available, so we don't want to change those things, just make leave it as default. And but here conversion name must be your understanding name. So here I'm just leave like that, submit lead form, but I'm adding just name, sorry, just date, May 7th. Okay, and then just leave all the things default. Done. Here save and continue and just scroll down and there is a button called at left side finish, just click on that and here just scroll down. At last there is a account default option is there. So in this our submit form will visible. See, submit lead form May 7th. So we have to press on that, just click on that and here just scroll down and here left side there is a tag setup is available, just press on that and then here option called mb, here our code is available, so just click on that and then one pop-up is available. So here our code is available. In Google Ad there are two types of codes are available, so we have to copy this code into our website dashboard. So now here google tag google tag code is this one and next one event snippet and this code is here. Now we have to add this code like google tag code, we have to copy this one and paste in website dashboard. So now I'm doing copy, just copying, control C and next here this is the website dashboard and here there is a plugin called HFCM. So click on that and then here add new snippet, we have to click on that. Here snippet name called, just make sure add your name, Arjun Google tag code 2 and just scroll down. Here we have to copy our code and then save. So now one code is completely pasted. Now we have to go to Google Ad accounts and there is another code, just copy this one, go to website dashboard, just click on this plugin, add add new. Here we have to mention the name from this code also. So event code 2. I'm just mentioning name also. Yeah. And here there are slightly changes. So here site display, we have to select specific pages, and page list, here we have to add thank you page, and then just scroll down here, paste the code, and then complete. So here we add two codes in website dashboard. So this is the connection between Google Ads and website. Thank you.